In this video, we're going to show how we're going to import a small SWM5 model into InfoSWM, and have InfoSWM read the data file, make a table of contents with the layers corresponding to the SWM5 input files. It doesn't matter what version you're importing it into. It'll import into ArcMap 9.3, 10.0, or 10.1, depending on what you have. So now we're going to initialize the model, bringing in the background map. So now it's reading the SWM5 file and making a table of contents with the data. And here we have our model now. And this is a simple model we just made before. We can also look at the data using the attribute browser, so that'll show up on the right hand side the data that corresponds to the system. It also comes in as database files. So for example, we can look at the data in the table of contents there, or we can open up the attribute table directly in ArcView and look at the data there to see what's going on. Okay, we'll go ahead and save this as a particular file. We'll call it test. Now we have our model. Go ahead and use Run Manager and run the model. It ran. We have a green light showing that it ran. We can look at the output file, which shows up as an HTML, and here's the data that we just ran. We can also graph the data using the Report Manager. So if we wanted to see what the graph was for that subcatchment, we can pick that subcatchment. And it shows us the data. Same thing for the reports. If we wanted to look at the reports, we can go to the reports. And if we wanted the continuity, it'll basically reads the reports. Basically, are the SWM5 database or the SWM5 tables in the report output file. All right, so that's a brief look at how we import data into SWM5. We can also easily go back to SWM5 by going to Export, Export SWM5, and we'll call this Test again. It's now exported. So very simple to bring data in from SWM5 and data out of SWM5, and use the power of ArcMap in InfoSWM. So thank you for listening, and we'll go on to the next subject in the next video. Thank you.